Hey Disney fans, welcome back to Explore the Park, where we share our love of theme parks with you. Today we're exploring the captivating world of Epcot's International Festival of the Arts. I've got my magic band ready, so let's explore the park.
Today could be the day. Open your eyes and look around. So many new things to be found. I know a place where you can go, where there's no end to tell you yes or no.
The Epcot International Festival of the Arts is a celebration of creativity that takes place annually at Disney World's Epcot Park. It's a unique event that seamlessly combines visual arts, culinary arts, and performing arts to create a truly immersive experience. This year's event started on January 12th and runs through February 19th. One of the highlights of the festival is the Visual Arts Showcase. Wander through incredible art exhibits featuring works from both Disney artists and talented creators from around the world. From paintings to sculptures, there's something for everyone to admire.
Open your hands and feel the air, and let the wind's voice take you there. Come feel the change, it's in the breeze. And if you let it, oh, it'll make you free.
Now let's talk about the culinary arts. Epcot's International Festival of the Arts offers a mouth-watering array of dishes that are almost too beautiful to eat. From creative desserts to savory delights, each dish is a masterpiece in itself. On the wonderful walk of colorful cuisines, you can set out on a tasty trek around Epcot, featuring 7 vibrant dishes. Use your festival passport to look for specially notated menu items, then track your progress by collecting a stamp after each purchase. Once you've enjoyed at least 5 of the 7 dishes and collected the corresponding stamps, bring your stamped festival passport to the Deco Delights Food Studio to receive a complimentary artist palette cookie.
Today could be the day. If you just look into your heart, you will find there. That's the place to start. If you take a step and take another again, you'll find a better place to land. I know that it can be the someday you've been waiting for.
Get ready to be entertained. The festival hosts a variety of live performances, from Broadway-style shows to street performances, making every corner of Epcot a stage for incredible talent. This year, magical music is taking the stage at the American Gardens Theater with the Disney on Broadway concert series. I posted a link to the show schedule down in the description below. One of the coolest things about the festival is that it encourages guests to unleash their own creativity with interactive workshops and activities. From painting sessions to animation classes, you can be part of the artistic magic. course, Epcot is full of culture and art, but they've also got some pretty great attractions and rides. So while I'm here, I'm gonna check out a couple of my favorites. That wraps up our journey through Epcot's International Festival of the Arts. I hope you're as excited as I am to experience this magical celebration. If you've been to the festival, share your favorite moments in the comments below. And if you haven't, make sure to add it to your Disney bucket list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Disney and theme park adventures. Until next time, have fun, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the park.